Welcome children. Let's talk about your project. Project carries 20 marks. Children, it's your class 10th project. Be very sincere with it. Be very honest in and dedicated in completing your work as assigned. Now, with regards to your English language, you have to collect 4 pictures. Now those 4 pictures, it's a picture based composition project. So you have to collect 4 pictures, and those pictures could be collected either from the newspapers, or it could be from magazines, or it could be also downloaded from your internet. But it should be clear, and see that it is a particular proper size, not very big that it does not adjust in the page that you have been given, your file page. It should be like usual size, maybe 3 inches or 4 inches, 4 by 3 or 4 by 5, something like that. So it's easy for you to paste it in your assignment copies. Once you have collected those pictures, and those pictures, children, should be meaningful. It should not be simply a graphics, simply one man holding a particular sign. It should be good and meaningful. It could be some picture like this. It could be like children playing around. It could be a crowded traffic area. It could be soldiers on the border. Anything, means you are not restricted with any picture sort of thing. It could be some wild animals, a trip to Jim Corbett Park, or anything. But it should hold some sense. Means it should be a picture where you could write something upon. Like if it is about children playing around, poor children playing around, village children playing around, you could write about childhood, you could write about poverty, you could write about the happiness that is unadulterated in the childhood. So there could be so many various pictures that you could, but you have to collect only 4 pictures. So collect those 4 pictures and keep it. And when you start with your assignment writing, just paste those pictures on the either on the plain sheet or on the ruled paper. And then below that, start writing either below that, or it could be pasted on a separate page. And it could be along with that, once you have pasted the picture on separate page, then the next you write a composition on that. So the composition should be around 300 to 350 words. It should not be more than that. Okay, and it would be good if you give a title to your story or account or a description that you are writing. It is simply, I'm not insisting upon, it is simply good to give a title. It's your project work. So be neat in your handwriting, properly underline the good points, and when you have pasted the picture, it should be bordered properly. Means overall presentation also should look nice, should look good. Then handwriting matters. Be good at your handwriting, be best at your handwriting. Children, this project carries your 20 marks out of 100 in your board papers. So do your best so that you could, each one of you could score 20 out of 20. I don't think there should be any confusion regarding picture composition. It's so simple and easy. Simply select 4 meaningful good pictures and write a composition. It could be a description, it could be a narration, it could be an imaginative essay, it could be your argumentative, but whatever you are writing, there should be a clear connection with the picture. Means you should relate your writing to the picture. This is a very important thing of your picture composition. Children, as such, you will get a practice also to write your picture composition. That is a part of your board examination. That is your part of the syllabus, that compositions. I think nothing is unclear about it. It's very clear. I am not missing on any points. That prepare English language project on picture writing composition, collect any 4 different pictures from the various newspapers, magazines, or you may download from the net. The pictures selected should be meaningful. Only, yes, only one picture is required for one composition. Please do not select many pictures and make a collage of it and paste it there. Not at all. Single picture shall do. Then when you are pasting the picture, see that it is very neatly pasted. Outline it properly. It should be nicely done up. Then each composition should not be more than 350 words. So do it as soon as you get your projects. Thank you.